Hello sugar swappers, welcome to the Affirmations video. What you seek is seeking you. If you are seeking to achieve weight loss, then you are in the right place. The secret of manifesting weight loss. Start listening to this video as soon as you wake up. Find a quiet place in your room, switch off your mobiles and keep them aside. And follow this Surya Mudra, the most effective weight loss mudra. Sit straight, close your eyes and calm your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Through these affirmations, you are reprogramming your mind and body towards a fitter self. Say these affirmations for 21 days minimum to reaffirm your weight loss goals. That you are in control of your fitness. Listen, believe, say, repeat and manifest. Let's start. Repeat after me. I am losing weight. I lose weight easily and healthily. I love myself unconditionally. I deserve to be in perfect shape. I have clarity about my fitness goals. The food I choose to eat nourishes my body. I eat slowly to give my body time. My mind and my body are in harmony. I am allowing my dream body to be mine. Remember, you are in charge of your life, fitness and happiness. Be thankful.